A haze of concern hangs over the St. James community of Catherine Hall this evening following the discovery of the burnt remains of a young woman at her home after a fire Saturday morning. Krista Campbell explains.
Burn marks like writings on a wall signal a fire at this house in Catherine Hall, St. James. A fire engine and firefighters are additional evidence of the blaze, though hardly evident on the outside of the house. TVJ News understands the fire started on the inside, shattering one of the windows in the process. Residents who saw the blaze called the fire brigade at 4:50 Saturday morning. When they arrived, they managed to keep the fire from spreading to the other houses, but during cooling down operations, the burnt remains of 20-year-old KJ Cassels were found behind a door upstairs. Behind a haze of smoke, a crime scene tape peeks out. Suspecting Miss Cassels may not have died because of the fire or from the smoke, firefighters called the police. The lawmen told TVJ News they were awaiting the full fire report and results of the post-mortem before conducting further investigations. However, TVJ News understands the police questioned a neighbor and the deceased woman's partner who was called to the scene of the fire. A deafening silence among the wave of curious onlookers as they refused to comment on the incident. However, political representatives added their voices.
Quite peculiar after hearing the explanation from the representatives from the Jamaica Fire Brigade. I spoke with him. He's absolutely devastated, but my heart goes out to the family.
The houses are located very close to each other, so the fire could have spread. I have more questions than answers have been provided so far based on what I have seen on the tour inside with the firefighter. But any loss of life, regardless of the circumstance, is regretted.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.